Okay, hello children, good morning. How are you children? So today we will solve the linear equation in two variables and some special property that is called reducible method. So what is reducible method and how this will be applied? Just see, you can see two questions on the board. 217x plus 131y equal to 913 and 131x plus 217y equal to 827. So you can see what is the special in this question. You can see the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. So if the coefficients of x and y are interchanged, means the same number you will see 217 here. In first equation coefficient of x is 217. In second equation the coefficient of y is 217. In first equation coefficient of y is 131 and second equation coefficient of x is 131. So you can see the coefficients are interchanged. So in this situation what you will do? So, and what will be the easiest way to do this type of questions? So, for this type of question, we will use reducible method, and in reducible method, we will apply addition and subtraction of the equation. Addition and subtraction of the equation. For this type of equation, linear equation in two variables, we will apply addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of the equation. Addition and subtraction of the equations to do. So what is the way? Just see solution. 1. So we can suppose this is the first equation and this is second equation. So what will be? By adding equation 1 and 2 we get 217x plus 131y equal to 913. 131x plus 217y equal to 827. So we have to add. When you add, then what will be? Down equation, no sign will be changed. Then what you will get after adding? 8, 314, 213, y, 718, 4, 3, x equal to 0, 4, 17. Then 348 and 348 in both terms. Then what we will do? 348 we will take common. Then inside the bracket what will be? X plus y equal to 1740. X plus y equal to 1740 upon 348. 8 5 are 40. So it will go in 5 times. Therefore x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5 or y equal to 5 minus x. We can suppose this is the equation 1. After that, once we added in another case, what we will do? We have to subtract. So what we will do? By subtracting 1 from 2 we get 217x plus 131y equal to 913. 131x plus 217y equal to 827. So when we subtract, the sign of the down equation change. Then here will be, this is positive, so it will be negative. This is also negative and this is also negative. Now plus minus, we have to subtract. 13 minus 4, 6, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. After that 11 minus 4, 4, 2 minus 1, oh sorry, because 217 is a 131, so we have to subtract this from this, and here will be the minus sign. 7 minus 1, 6, 11 minus 3, 8, 1 minus 1, 0. So minus 86y, and here x, 7 minus 1, 6, 11 minus 3, 8, and this is positive, so a plus sign is there. Now 86, both were 86, we will take common. X minus y equal to 86, or x minus y equal to 86 upon 86. 86 gone. Now we will put the value of y here. That is called substitution method. So we are applying substitution method here. X minus 5 minus x equal to 1. Because value of y is 5 minus x from equation 1. So here we will write, this is 3, this will be 3, because 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 we have already supposed, so this will be equation 3. And here we will write from equation 3. This came from equation 3. Now x minus 5 minus into minus plus x equal to 1, or 2x equal to 1 plus 5, or x equal to 6 upon 2. 2 3 are 6. Therefore x equal to 3. Value of x we got. Now we will find value of y. So what is the value of y? From equation 3. From equation 3, y equal to 5 minus x. 5 minus 3, 2. So what happened? X equal to 3 and y equal to 2. This is the answer. So you see, okay, in first question it was, I told you, in this type of question you will see the coefficients of x and y, you will get the interchange. You will get interchange coefficient. If the interchange coefficients are there, then you will apply addition and subtraction method. Addition and subtraction method means once you will add, means both the equation will be added, and another time they will be subtracted. Means we will subtract the equations, and after adding and subtracting, again you will get the equation, and that will be the reducible. That will be the reducible form, and it will be easy to find the value of x and y. So you have seen this type of question. This is called reducible method. Another question is number 2, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4, and 15 upon x plus y minus 9 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. So what is the difference between these two questions? Here you have seen the coefficients are interchanged, but here little different, little complicated. So in this complication, what you will do, you have to use the reducible method. For reducible method, what you will do? We will suppose 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. We will suppose another variable, and by supposing, then we will get the reducible form of that equation, and after that it will be easy to solve. So let's see what will be. Let solution of 2. Let 1 upon x plus y equal to a and 1 upon x minus y equal to b. So this 10 upon x plus y means 10 into 1 upon x plus y. So 10 into 1 upon x plus y, and we have supposed this value 1 upon x plus y, we have supposed a. So what will be 10 into a means 10a. So this equation will be 10a, and here 2 upon x minus y. This will be 2 into x minus y. This will be 2 into x, 1 upon x minus y. 2 into 1 upon x minus y, and its value we have supposed b. So we will write here 2b equal to 4, and now we will suppose equation 1, and here 15a minus 9b equal to minus 2, and this is equation 2. Now you have the choices. You can apply any method to do this equation. You can apply any method. So here you can see plus and minus are there. Plus and minus sign are opposite. So if we add, then we can reduce, we can eliminate the coefficient of b. So their coefficient of b should be same. Here coefficient of b is 2, and here coefficient of b is 9. So what will be the LCM of 2 and 9? 18. So this will be multiplied by 9, and equation 2 will be multiplied by 2. Now by 1 into 9 minus plus 2 into 2 we get, what will be 90a plus 18b equal to 36. 30a minus 18b equal to minus 4. What will be 18b gone, plus minus 90 plus 30 120, a equal to 36 minus 4. 36 minus 4 will be 32. This is, then what will be a equal to 32 upon 120. Then by 4 8 ja 36, and 4 3 ja 12. 2 4 ja 8, and 2 15 ja 30. So a value of a is 1 upon x plus y. So we will put here 1 upon x plus y equal to 4 upon 15. Now therefore x plus y equal to 15 upon 4. I have written the reciprocal of this. 1 upon x plus y will be x plus y upon 1. So 1 will be downside, and this will be 15 upon 4. X plus y equal to 15 upon 4. Therefore, y equal to 15 upon 4 minus x. And we can suppose this is equation number 3. Now, we will find value of b. Value of a is here. So what will be? By putting the value of a in equation 1, we get equation 1 is 10a plus 2b equal to 4, and value of a is 10 into 4 upon 15 plus 2b equal to 4. 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja. Then what will be? 8 upon 3 plus 2b equal to 4. Now 2b equal to 4 minus 8 upon 3, or 2b equal to 12 minus 8 upon 3, or b equal to 4 upon 3 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, or value of b is 1 upon x minus 1 y. X minus y equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, x minus y equal to 3 upon 2. Reciprocal we have written. After that, value of y we have 15 upon 4 minus x. So what will be? X minus y equal to value of y is 15 by 4 minus x. So x minus 15 by 4 minus x equal to 3 by 2. X minus will enter, then it will be minus 15 by 4 plus x equal to 3 by 2, or 2x equal to 3 by 2 plus 15 by 4, or x equal to 4 2 to the 4 6 plus 15 into 2. 2 will be downside. X equal to 21 upon 8. X equal to we got 21 upon 8. Then we will find value of y from equation 3. Equation 3 we get y equal to 15 upon 4 minus x. So 15 upon 4 minus 21 upon 8. And now we will find the value of this. So what will be? LCM will be 8. LCM will be 8. 15 to the 30 minus 21, and this will be 9 upon 8. So this is the value of y. Value of x is 21 upon 8 and value of y is 9 upon 8. And this is the solution. And this type of solution is called reducible method. Okay, thank you.